started 2 weeks ago on this project. We started on the south side here, up against Coffey, working our way east on that end. And we were instructed to do all the trimming of the trees, cutting all the trees down, all the burnt shrubbery, just clearing the area of all that woody material so that they can be looking at replacing the wall. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and to be doing something to help in the recovery effort to put the community back together, it's nice to be actually taking part in helping the recovery.